Hello, I'm Nick from Manchester Camper Hire, and today I'm going to show you how to put up the sun canopy or rain shelter that comes included in the van. In the bag you'll find a set of pegs, a set of poles and a sun canopy. To attach the canopy to the van, find the piping on one edge of the canopy, and then on the roof of the van feed that piping into the awning rail that's hidden in the roof gutter, and then just slide that along. Ta-da! So once you've connected the canopy to the van, take the pole using the spike on the top, put that through the eyelet on the canopy, and then use one of the pegs and the guy rope, pull that away from the van, and then push the peg at an angle away from the van into the ground. Once you've got the three poles up, you can adjust the height and the position of them, and you can also just secure the sides with the guy ropes as well. Now, if the sun's shining, this kind of layout is perfect because it just gives you a nice bit of shade from the sun, which is just up behind you. However, if it's raining, you'll notice the fabric at the moment is pointing down towards the van. So if it does rain, that's just going to collect all the water and pour it towards the van. So if it's raining, we want to lower these two side poles and tighten up the guy ropes. And then by having that bit of an apex, the water will run off the side of the canopy instead of down towards the van. There you go, that's it. Canopy, keeping you in shade or shelter in a couple of minutes. I hope you've found this video tour helpful. I will of course make sure you're happy with everything before you set off, and there is a handbook in the van to help you whilst you're away. There are answers to the most common questions on the website, where you can also check availability and book online. See you soon.